Phase 1 of the Konza Technopolis is 97% complete following the installation of key infrastructure such as electric power and fiber optic cables. This has attracted major blue chip companies in the vehicle assembly, household goods, construction materials and electronic good makers. The Kenya Association of Manufacturers say investors are taking advantage of various tax incentives offered at the expansive special economic zone.
Manufacturers are planning to leverage on the Konza Technopolis energy mix to reduce their cost of doing business. Kenya Association of Manufacturers Chief Executive Officer Anthony Mwangi says a number of manufacturers producing cable, household goods, construction materials and electronic assemblers are the latest firms to set up shop at the Konza Technopolis. KAM says the state-of-art data facility at Konza is attractive to potential investors as it eases the cost of doing business by linking up local manufacturers to potential buyers, both in the country and globally.
As manufacturers, we are happy to note that we are now ready to meet some of the investors who different manufacturers will sell their materials, the different items they manufacture.
Because we are driving the development of a smart city with a vision to be a leading global technopolis and innovation hub with a mission to develop a sustainable smart city and innovation ecosystem that will contribute to Kenya's knowledge-based economy.
Manufacturers say the cost of production is also expected to reduce for firms operating at the Technopolis due to a well-elaborate energy mix that is much cheaper and reliable. The government has designated Konza as a special economic zone, with firms in the facility enjoying numerous tax breaks to increase investors' appetite for space at the Technopolis.
It's a development of an e-waste center, which we are very much interested in. Based on the ICT manufacturing that we do, there will be a lot of e-waste, and we want to do collaboration, especially in that area.
Benson Ruba reporting for Lunchtime News.